This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Brittany Pruett. Welcome home to this charming 3-bedroom, 2-bath gem featuring spacious bedrooms with generous closets and an open kitchen with beautiful granite countertops. You'll love the large laundry room, offering plenty of space for storage and organization. Step outside to a fenced backyard, perfect for entertaining, pets, or simply relaxing. Don't miss out on this wonderful home. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Brittany Pruett at 479-774-3962.